Hello, everybody. What's the difference between I was and I were? Check it out. Simply, I was is about the past activity. For example, I was so excited yesterday. I was a good student at school. So it doesn't talk about any condition, but it just talks about the activity that happened in the past. Whereas I were is based on some condition that's imaginary. That's not real, which is supposed to be impossible. It's also supposed to be second conditional. For example, if I were a bird, I would fly in the sky. If I were a dog, I would sleep all day. It's an imaginary situation because there is no way to become a dog. So we can imagine about that situation. So we use if I were. So I was is used for normal past activity, and if I were is used for impossible and imaginary situation. I hope it is useful. Thank you so much for watching. Follow us to discover more.